All right, hello to all my Vechain family, my Vechain supporters. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you so much for tuning in today's episode on Vechain. What's happening and where is the price going in the immediate short term? I'm sure that's the question that's on everyone's mind. So we're going to discuss that today. If you like that, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Looking at the price of Vechain right now, currently trading at the 0.021 cents mark. It is down about 6.6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 4.1% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $1.57 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at a $73.3 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last 30 days, we're still up about a 33.8%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices of Vechain. But obviously, we know what we're here for, the price. So let's waste no more time and get right into that. But as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the price of Vechain, where are we finding ourselves right now once again? We finally saw some sort of life come into Vechain over the past few hours. You guys can see, Vechain was starting to head back towards the upside, and I was very convinced that we have everything it takes to get back to this range at that 2.8 cents mark. Retest some levels prior to the FTX collapse, but once again, I don't know what it is. Like, is it the luck of Vechain? But let me know if you guys saw this happen too. As soon as we saw, some sort of momentum building up in Vechain's price, we saw BTC take a cool off. And now you may be saying, who cares about that? Because that has been happening for quite some time. It happened this time when we saw the Vechain start hitting these levels of resistances, which we have not seen for quite some time. And this is where BTC decided to take, cool off. And we saw Vechain once again breaking out back in November and hit 3 cents, and boom, FTX collapse came out and obviously, impacted the entire space. And right now, once again, the same situation has been happening. But jokes aside, you guys already know my stance on Vechain. Right now, if you were to ask me, if a lot of new investors are coming into the cryptocurrency space, or my friend were to ask me which project should I look at and kind of deep dive into it and really do my research in it, without a doubt I would point at Vechain, because what Vechain is doing, not a lot of other projects are doing. And we're gonna hear trolls come here back and forth and say, oh, Vechain is this, Vechain is that, it's not mooning, we haven't seen the price go up, XYZ. You already know what trolls will say. And these kind of people are everywhere in every single community, not just Vechain. But the true holders, the true community, are going to stick with one another and believe in the project and really push the team to success. And right now we are seeing Vechain holding now. This was playing as a level of resistance for us. As you guys can see, we were having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of here, because this is a massive level of support, which kind of been playing as a level of support since back in 2020, as well as now this time around, this bear cycle. And we saw us having a hard time breaking out, but we finally saw just 2 days ago the price of Vechain break out of here, and everything was looking well. And right now we are being supported by that, which shows strength again of the overall support. But right now, if we're looking at the price of BTC is still above 50. I'm sorry, not 50. Whoa, $50,000. Are you kidding? I'm joking. Anyways, that was a typo from my end. But what I'm trying to say is Bitcoin is still above $22,000 mark. And if you are a regular viewer on my channel, especially my Vechain community, I know a lot of them are been following me on my channel since the get-go. You guys know my stance. Especially the regular viewers, that as long as the price of Bitcoin is above $22,000 mark, I remain bullish. If we go below that, yes, I will obviously change my overall take on the market momentum. But originally, if you guys go watch my videos in late last year, I was saying that my projection is that the overall bull market is going to start like officially in Q2. That's where I see it happening. So that still gives us a room to see the price of Bitcoin maybe possibly even hit a new low. that is a big statement to make. But right now, like I said, I remain bullish. We will see what happens with the price of BTC, but as long as BTC stays above 22k mark, we are looking good, and this correction is very much needed. It's quite healthy, because if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, BTC has seen a spike since the beginning of this year. Let's just measure it from the beginning of the year, 35%, even after having a pullback. So, that speaks for itself as to what I'm trying to get at. But as far as Vechain is concerned, guys, I believe Vechain is going to shock a lot of people this coming bull cycle. Give it time, and if you're a huge believer on Vechain, this is still a golden opportunity to be dollar cost averaging for cheap Vechain, because if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys know this is where I'm seeing the fireworks start once we break out of the 3.4 cents mark. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we're still about roughly about 60% away from those levels right now, and that is still quite a bit ways away from it right now. So it gives myself, along with Vechain supporters that believe in it, to dollar cost averaging around these prices, because obviously we know what happens when the markets start doing these kind of moves. Look at that. Like, when the price was going like this, parabolic around these ranges, everyone wanted a piece of the pie. But this is where we need to be locking in profits, taking a little bit off the table. So that's what I want you guys to keep in mind. But overall, my stance on Vechain doesn't change. Vechain is going to be one of the top performers in my personal opinion. I'm going to see it hit $1 plus next bull cycle, and a lot of haters are going to be speechless when it comes time to that. Obviously, we're still not on Coinbase. That's something the whole community is waiting for, but I believe the time is near. Let me know down below if you guys want me to kind of make an exit strategy video in terms of where I go in detail about exit strategies, how you should plan your exit strategy, where you should lock in profits. Let's get this video to 200 likes, guys. If you want to see that, let's get this video to 200 likes, and we will make that happen. I need you guys to come engage with me, especially my Vechain family. Come join the Twitter family. I have a link in the description box below. Come follow me on Twitter. If you have any messages that you want to send me, you can do so. Tweet at me, know what's going on. Come join Twitter. I'm really going to start ramping up my Twitter this year, so I need each and every one of you guys to go follow the Twitter account. Link in the description box below. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on the overall markets, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.